This is a 1969 Corvette Convertible L-88. And as you probably know, L-88s are quite rare because of the low production numbers. Back in 1967, the first year for the L-88, they made only 20 cars. In 1968, they built 80, and in 1969, they built 116 cars. Now, the horsepower was underrated by GM because these cars were intended for racing. The 427 big block produced in reality over 550 horses versus the 430 advertised. So they were intended for the right buyer. Back then, you could have ordered an L-71 for less, and those cars were rated at 435, so they were looking for the right buyer for the L-88. Now, back then, if you bought an L-88, it would have set you back $6,181.90. Sounds really cheap, but in today's money, that is the equivalent of $53,512.41. And if you're interested in seeing all the 1968 and 69 Corvettes available at Mecum Kissimmee 2025, this video covers all the 1968 and 69 C3 Corvettes available at the auction.